gonna be looking at the most annoying sounds ever. I'm sorry in advance. Scissors? Annoying? Really? I like scissors. It's kind of satisfying. Snip, snip. Yeah, that's terrible. It's just so obnoxious for no reason. Well, there is a reason, obviously. You don't want a thief to get in your car. But to compare it to scissors, come on now. Okay, depending on the clock, any clock. It's one of those things where it's so quiet, but if it's dead silent and you hear that clock, you just will not stop thinking about it, and it'll tick you right off. You see what I did there? Really? Loud yawning? Is that annoying, guys? Let me test it out. Okay, if it's that loud, yes, that's annoying. There's two different types of barks, guys. There's that high pitch, which yes, is annoying. But guys, then there's like the scary one. That's more scary than annoying. They're like, and guys, I can already predict what's going to be at the end. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think is going to be at the end. Smash that like button. And you know what my prediction is? A crying baby. Well, we'll see. Stay tuned. Dial up modem. I kind of like that sound. I miss that. Okay, people kissing. Okay. Especially in public, it's like, well, wait. What do you mean, Luke? Especially in public? Where else would people be kissing like that? But yes, that is annoying. It's not just like, it's like a phone keypad noises. No, okay, so 99% of the time I have my phone in like silent, so you don't even hear that. But when I do have it on, that's the one sound that I kind of like. It's like satisfying. Guys, let me do it for you guys. I think it's kind of fire. An angle grinder. Oh, here it goes. Yep, that's annoying. And guys, at my new house, the reason why I'm still at this house is because we're having renovations done. And I have a little camera set up just so I can, monitor, see the progress. And whenever I go on there and there's like an angle grinder going, or just any kind of grinder saw, the microphone in that camera is so bad that it literally like breaks your eardrums. It's like, that's the best representation I could give you. Creaky doors. Because I haven't even heard a creaky door in a long time. But I guess if you're living with a door and you have to open it every single day, it might get a little annoying. Sum of toys. Yep. Ew, ah, ooh, ah, ee. That hurt my ear right there. Mains hum? What's a mains hum? That annoying buzz you occasionally hear through speakers. Interesting. I haven't heard a mains hum, as they call it, in a long time now that I think about it. But like, I know I've heard that sound and it has been annoying, but I just can't even put my finger on what it would be or when it would be. I'm thinking of like some really old speakers, but I can't even, I don't know. How is that train scraping on tracks? Actually, no, I know, okay, now that I just picture in my head, I know exactly what sound that is. But it doesn't sound like that they just played. The sound I'm thinking of is like, kind of, you guys know what I'm trying to say. Seagulls. No, guys, seagulls are so nice. Because usually when there's seagulls, you're on the beach. So guys, that's the first thing I think of, is like a nice sunny beach day, the waves splashing in. Wait, wrong sound. People arguing. Guys, when people are arguing and I hear it in public, I'm intrigued. I'm like, oh, what's happening? Ooh. I'm not annoyed. Tapping nails. The sound that this just reminded me of is when my girlfriend is tapping on her phone. Guys, we thought that typing sound was bad? Imagine this one. Just kidding. I know she's gonna watch this and she's gonna come and get mad at me for calling her out. And actually, I don't even not like the sound. It's kind of satisfying. It's like, it's like a keyboard. Get it out. First thing that comes to mind is when you're on FaceTime with someone and you come into the same room and farting. I love farts. You ask my girlfriend, I feel bad I'm exposing her. But guys, she laughs at the sounds, but she hates the smells. Now I love this. I'm exposing myself now. I love the smells of farts. Not other people's farts. That's nasty, guys. Who the heck do you think I am? But your own fart? Nothing better. And the different sounds that you get, like the different pitches you can make. Like one time you can go like this to elevate, Another time maybe like this. Just a little air release. Gurgling water. Guys, I can't lie. It's kind of satisfying. Kind of satisfying. A chainsaw. Okay. I feel like anything like this, like tool related, just is like, ugh. That one almost sounded like a dirt bike. A female scream. It annoys 73% of people. Well, it depends, guys. If you're like driving, you know, I could see like a 50-year-old driving. This guy's wife beside him. He's coming up to a stoplight, but he didn't brake soon enough. His wife thinks they're going right through the stop sign. Ah, slow down! I could see that. I could see that. Bad singing. I kind of find bad singing funny. Could be just me. Yeah, bro can speak it. It's one of those things where it's like, you should be thankful at least like you have the speakers that can like you can like hear volume out of. At the same time, guys, it's one of those things where you buy speakers, so you have speakers for them to work properly. Like I have 2 speakers set up right here, and from when I bought them, the left one doesn't work properly and it annoys me. And I just never did anything with it. I just lived with it. But like 50% of the time, the audio on my left speaker is at like 50% volume. It's like you could barely hear out of it. But then if you crank it up enough, it'll like go in and out, in and out. And it's just the most annoying thing ever. Sniffing? The sound of sniffing? What? How does that annoy 78? What? This is especially irritating when it's a person, not animal. Okay, you know what? I can see it now. I can see it now. I sniff everything, and my girlfriend does not like it. No, but I don't blame her. I sniff at like the weirdest things, guys. Based on some of the previous comments, I think you can guess what I like to sniff. Wait, what? Okay, that sounded bad. What the heck is a vavulas? Vavulalas. Dripping taps. Couldn't even hear it over the music, but I understand. I understand. Oh no! They did it! They did it to us! They did it to us! They did it to us! I thought it would be just a light one. Nope, you have to blast it in my ears. Ooh, okay. Okay, this next one, guys. This next one. Ooh, okay, cats fighting. We have 2 cats. Well, they're my girlfriends, but you know, I've kind of adopted them. And it's just the most like, if you guys haven't heard it yet, you're about to hear it. Stay tuned. But it's like one of those things where it's like, they're your babies, you know? You want them to like be friends. But if when they're fighting, it's like, oh, stop it! Because it's like so violent sounding. Like, okay, that sounded half like a baby crying and half like one cat attacking the baby. But you guys got the idea. That's almost as bad as the intro. You're welcome. Okay, yeah, I can see that. I can see that. It's not even annoying. It's just one of those things. It's like, really? Coughing? Okay, if it's like once or twice, you know, I understand. But if you're on the plane, guys, this is just what I think of. If you're on the plane or like at a restaurant, the person beside you just will not stop. Like, it's like, but guys, you know, if they're sick, they can't help it, you know? Snoring. Why would they use that sound effect for snore? Is that sound effect actually snoring? I've heard that sound so many times, but I never even really thought about what it could be. You're telling me that's snoring? But guys, I didn't know for the longest time that I snored, but my mom's told me I snored. My girlfriend's told me I snore. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. Yep, crying baby. Guys, I think I might be actually immune to crying babies. Both my dad and my girlfriend, whenever there's a crying baby, they look like, and I'm like, what? Oh, I guess there's a crying baby. Vomiting. Ooh. Yep. The sound just reminds me of the feeling. The feeling of throwing up has to be like top 10 worst experiences in your life, guys. Loud chewing. Oh, that's extra loud. That was like an ASMR kind of. Oh. Yes. I forgot that sound existed. Don't even remind me. Summer's right around the corner here in Canada. Wait. I guess not just in Canada, but you guys know what I mean. Mosquitoes aren't here when it's snowing. Oh, don't even remind me. Surprisingly, guys, I have never had to have a tooth drilled. I got no cavities, you know, pearly whites. Here it is from the intro. And the morning, oh my goodness. I should have guessed this would be number 1. Guys, I'm gonna get my editor to play the iPhone alarm so it can remind you guys. Lucky for me, I can't even hear it. But anyway, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, slap a like button, subscribe for already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.